Hi, good morning, YouTube family. How is everything? Thank you so much for your support. We have crossed 13,000 subscribers, and yes, it's all because of your support only. So it's morning time, Sunday morning time, and I'm going to Panchgaon with my one friend. I want to check the potential of my scooter, which is 2 years old now, and I have driven it more than 20,000 kilometers. So let's see what is the true range is coming out from that. I'll not keep this video long, but yes, I'll be showing you the footage in between. Yes, I'm keeping the charger for emergency purpose, but I'm not sure I will be using it. So stay tuned. Let's go. So guys, we have started our journey wherein right now only it is on 97%. Actually, I was in the colony wherein it consumed more than 2% battery. So let's see, I have traveled 2.4 kilometers and more 60 kilometers are remaining. So let me reach there, then I'll show you.
A few moments later.
So guys, 10% battery has gone and we have covered 10.7 kilometers. So as of now, I don't think so it will cover at least 110 kilometers because the weight is more. Let's see.
A few moments later.
So guys, another 10% battery has gone and we have covered 23.5 kilometers. So yes, it is somehow managing not 100 kilometers more than that, but let's see. As you can see, we too are here.
A few moments later.
So guys, here it goes 10 more percent and we have covered 37.6 kilometers.
A few moments later.
So guys, 70% battery is remaining and we have covered 38.1 kilometer. So as of now it is going really good and I am sure I will be able to come back as well.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, 60% battery is remaining, 40% done, and we have covered 50 kilometers in a single without taking any stop. So yes, it's quite tough to hold it on 50. I have not gone even 60 also, and so yes, let's see, around 10 more kilometers are remaining, then we'll be at Panchgaon.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are finally at Panchgaon and Ola has made it 60 kilometers and 53% battery is remaining. So guys, this is the condition. I didn't get time to wash it, but yes, Ola has actually made 60 kilometers and it took 1.5 hours. So here we have the analytics. You can see 60 kilometers. So yes, I'm going to take the risk. We'll go back without charging it. Let's see. So we two people and let me show you. The boot space is completely filled. राघव भाई 50 किलोमीटर बैठने का इनाम. See, for emergency purpose we have the charger. I have 11 years old Canon and 4 years old Sony. मिलते हैं सारा शूट करने के बाद, जाते हैं इसी रूट से वापस एंड देखते हैं कि घर तक पहुंच पाते हैं कि नहीं. Alright guys, so we have done with the shooting, so it's time to go home. So it's around 10 and we have to go 60 kilometers. So let's get started. चलो भाई, राघव भाई बैठ गए हैं. So 53% remaining. Let's see. I'll be on normal mode only. We'll take a short break just to eat something. We're not eating anything here because it's quite expensive for us as of now. Please help us in getting this channel monetized so that we can also eat something.
A few moments later.
So guys, now you can see it is 50% and 2 kilometers only done. Remaining 58 kilometers. Let's see. What do you think?
A few moments later.
So guys, it is 40% remaining and now I'm getting feeling that it might not be able to go because I have never taken my scooter to this much low battery percentage, but for sure I'll do it. Maybe Raghav has to push the scooter.
A few moments later.
Guys, just 29% battery remaining, and we have covered 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers are remaining. So let's see.
A few moments later.
So guys, it has reached to 20%. It is the first time in last 2 years that I have taken my scooty to this much low battery percentage. So I got a notification as well that it is low battery mode. So I'll not take it more than 50 now, although it was below 60 only. So fingers are crossed. Just 19 more kilometers remaining in 20%. Let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
So guys, it has reached to 15% only, and it has switched to eco mode as well. I cannot switch the modes. In case I do it, then it is showing very low battery. So now we have just 11 kilometers remaining. It's fine, we can go to this speed as well, and I'm sure we'll reach home also without any issue.
A few moments later.
So guys, only 10% battery remaining, and we are almost 3 kilometers away from our house. So let's quickly reach, and I'll tell you what is the outcome of this. So guys, finally we have reached home. So let me turn on the brightness. Check this out. So 121 kilometers we have covered, and still 7% battery is remaining. So no doubt Ola is a wonderful scooter, but just because of some people it is underrated. As I told you, 2 years completed to this scooter and 20,000 kilometers it is driven, but still it is giving the best range. I am around 70 kgs, Raghav is 60, and boot space is also filled. Still we got 120 kilometers plus range on a normal mode. So thank you so much for watching this complete video. See you in the next one with some other things. If something is remaining, please do comment, and please support, help in getting channel monetized so that we can give you some better things. So till the time, keep riding, keep safe. Bye bye, take care.